Hello my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains and back again with another trading analyst video. In today's video we're going to look at the week ahead for the British pound. We're going to look at a couple of British pound currency pairs and see what lies in store for the week ahead, because it is a big week for the GBP. So before we actually get into the charts and into the good stuff, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now, hit the thumbs up, show your support so we can keep this channel running. So first off, we're going to head over to TradingView. It is what I use to analyze the markets now. I still do use MT4, but the more I get used to TradingView charts, the more I like it. So before we get started, head over to TradingView, hit the follow button, the FX Ace, and you'll be able to see the regular trading ideas and posts that I post over there. So first off, let's have a look at the British Pound USD. Now, I did post an idea not long ago. For some reason my mouse is not working. So this was the last idea I done on the British Pound USD, and it's more or less went exactly how I expected it to go. We had the retracement to the buy zone around 126, and the rally up to near the 131,500 resistance area inside the weekly supply sell zone, which we then got a sell off, and we're now down at this high here, which we're going to look at now. So if we just head over to the monthly charts, let's see what is in store for the British Pound USD in the week ahead. So just let me change the GBPUSD and get it on a different. Okay, so this is where we are currently on the monthly charts. We are retracing this last this huge leg down, and where is the likely path now? So the nearest monthly supply zone, sell zone, is here, and then this was the low that I marked in my previous analyst video on this. Basically this is the previous low, so the market's come up and tested this low. We have this newly created buy/demand zone on the monthly charts here. So currently on the monthly we're in no man's land in between the buy zone and this sell zone up here. So I would like to see a move down towards here and then the rally off. Just basically looking at the monthly charts. If we look at the weekly, let's have a zoom into the weekly charts, and let's see if we can see what exactly is going on. We are bullish on this pair. We do have the interest rate decision this week on British Pound. So if you have watched my introduction in the price action video, you will learn that when the market is moving up in a strong trend, we tend to get, the market tends to, once we get the new high, it comes down and tests the previous high of the trend, which is where we're sitting at now. So we have this weekly level here. Now the reason this is a weekly level, that would be an area of interest. This is, you can see the huge buying pressure from this level before, was able to take out this high and create the new high up into this supply slash sell zone. So the market has come back down. It's tested this low. It's now closed above this low last week. Sorry, this high. It's closed above it. So we could see this moving up this week. The likely direction for this is up. And we're likely to see a new high in the trend. So this week I'll be looking to buy on pullbacks. We might get a pullback down towards 127 early this week, and then the huge rally. So wait for pullbacks. If we look at the daily charts here, just to see what's happening in the lower time frames. Yeah, so I would like to see this come down towards 127 this week, and then get the rally off on a bullish signal on the TRFX indicator, which you'll be able to learn how to download for free at the end of the video. So British Pound USD, I would wait for pullbacks down towards 127 or under 128 at least, and look for signals on the TRFX indicator from the daily to the 4-hour chart. Okay, once the market retraces a bit. That would be the idea for this pair this week. Now, to invalidate this, would basically want to get a close under this level here. We are bullish. It is starting to hang around this previous high here. So expect maybe a fall down below 128 towards 127, and then a rally to the upside. Next pair we're going to look at is British Pound Australian Dollar. Very, very strong at the minute. Just let me, British Pound AUD. We'll do it in ECAP again. Let's have a look at the monthly charts. And this is selling off this morning, today. Now we have this monthly level here. Today is the last day of the month. So it's going to be interesting to see if we close back in under those, under this resistance here this week or today. Or will we close above? And then in the monthly charts we have this level here. We're at a strong resistance at the minute. It is looking like it is starting to top out, so we could see a sell-off in this week. If we look at the weekly charts, and getting very choppy up around this resistance level. We've had the close above it last week, and we want to see how it closes today with the monthly charts. This could, that close above last week literally looks like it was just a test of this level here on the weekly charts, this weekly level. So what I would like to see in this happen this week is a pop up towards just above 193 towards 194, and then a sell off down to this low here. Would be a first easy target at 185, and further on down towards this 182 level. So when this starts to go, this could turn into a nice trade here. But this area here, see how it close today. But I'll be looking to look for signals using my TRFX indicator on the daily to the 4-hour again. Starting to get the sideways distribution movement at the top of this here move. If you go to my playlists on price introduction to price action, you will understand what I talk about here. After a rally in price, we start to get the sideways movement, the fake breakout, and the sell-off. Again, the only way I'm entering this is if I get the signal on a daily, preferably a daily signal, or maybe an 8-hour or 12-hour signal would be the best for this. And targeting 85, 185, nice 700 pip move there. So we will see what happens on this pair this week. British pound, Japanese yen is the next one. It has been absolutely on fire since Friday. Huge volatility in this pair. And just hide this. If we look at the monthly charts on this pair, we have this monthly level here. See, huge monthly levels on this. Now what I'm doing here is just marking out key areas. Okay, there's likely been selling pressure before. This monthly area here from 2015, you can see the selling pressures happened here before. And we have this high here at 172. And that's how I would map out the monthly. Start of the origin of this monthly move here is down at 159. Don't see it going down there anytime soon. Likely path is so likely to get in the week ahead for this pair. So the monthly chart, this monthly candle is looking, the monthly candle on this, we're looking like we're getting a hanging man or a long-legged doji. This is looking like a hanging man monthly candlestick. If we look at the weekly charts, now, huge pivot candle there, which could be the incline to the next leg up. It's going to be interesting this week to see what actually occurs. But again, the pound is looking like it's bullish. Yen is weak. We could get a move up towards 86 this week into this monthly level, and then getting the sell-off. So I would preferably, if we have a look at the daily, I would like, so we've had this huge move up. Now I would like to buy this pair on a pullback. If we're going to be targeting this, probably a pullback towards 180 this week would be a good area to get into a long position. Let it pull back to here, and then rally and target the 186 level. So it's going to be interesting to see how we close today, end of the month. We have this resistance level here. Price looks to be drawn to 183 600. We could see a move up to there and then a sell off, but we're going to see this pair. So last but not least, look at one more British pound pair. British pound CAD. Sorry, not the British pound CAD. British pound Kiwi. Again, it is selling off this morning. On the 4-hour chart, we've had the sell-off. If we look at the monthly chart here first, we always look at take a top-down approach. We want to see what's going on the higher time frames. Short-term monthly chart is very bullish. We are at a key level. here on the monthly charts. This is a very big level in the monthly, so we need to zoom into the the weekly. That's why I'm seeing the monthly at the minute. Does looking like you can see these past 2 monthly spikes on the monthly charts is indicating that we likely are topping out. Alright, we have, this is kind of the origin of the move here where we're at now. So again, I'll be looking to sell this pair this week. At the top of the move, we can see we've had this rally up. We're starting to get the slowing in the price action here at inside this weekly level here. We have likely target for the trade is down towards 201, between 201 and 198, or this could go all the way down to the bottom of this range at 188,500. If we have a look at the daily charts, okay, starting to get the sideways movement after the rally in price, period of distribution, and very, very choppy price action. So I would like to see a rally up towards 209 or above 208.5, and then get this to sell off later this week. So idea for this pair is rally up towards 209 and then get the sell off down towards 2. Long term setup this. Now it all depends how bullish the Bank of England are on Thursday. As if they are overly bullish or we do get another surprise hike, this could be the catalyst for the breakout for this to move up to these higher levels towards 215. So we'll see how it plays out. I would like to see it rallying into the news and then getting the sell off. So we'll see what happens. That is the analyst for the British pound pairs in the week ahead. Now, if you would like to get access to my trading signals and setups, weekly swing setups, which it now includes weekly live stream training sessions where we go over my trades each week for the week ahead and the previous week's setups and results. That usually happens towards the end of the week. You can find the information below in the description area of this video. So that is the video. That is today's analyst video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And have a fantastic trading week. And I shall see you on the next educational video.